What in God's name is going on here? AMD up about 15% after earnings, finally having their Nvidia moment. What does history tell us comes next? These numbers right here reflect the performance the day after earnings all the way to 1 day, 5 days, 10, 20, 30, 60 days after the event. Yes, the 1 in 5 days might not be that impressive, but if we look at the longer time frames, the 60-day, 2-month horizon, you're up an average 17% following earnings. And look, some of these are going to be pretty rough. A couple instances of losing 20% or more. One of those, by the way, was literally last earnings report where they dropped about 17% the following day. But I want to bring your attention to this chart right here. We're looking at over 40 earnings events going all the way back to 2016 on AMD. If you were to buy the day after earnings and sell 30 days later, these are the returns you're looking at. And you may notice that this kind of looks like a wave. We have some upside, then we have some down, then up, but then down, then up. That oscillating up and down, that should loosely remind you of AMD's revenue. The compute sector is notorious for being cyclical. In downturns, people aren't going to buy your computers, but today things are looking a little different. No matter what you think, there's going to be a CEO of a really rich company buying AI equipment and spending on data center capex. Based on the narrative that AI compute spending is only going one way, and that's up. And history's definitely warned us that a day like this was coming. We don't have a large concentration of red dots anywhere really on this chart except for late 2017, early 2018. And even if the 1, 5, 10 day isn't too good, as recently as February, after the 17% one-day drop, absolutely disgusting, would scare away a lot of investors. 60-day return, you're looking at almost 50%. So will we see a couple of quarters of these big up moves in AMD? Are we due for that? Potentially. It looks like the Nvidia moment is happening right now.